This video is created for version 3.0 in CellSmart POS, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use web links more efficiently. You can create different web links and use them to access the website you visit frequently. For example, you can create a web link for Web POS, which is a payment processing website, and access it in a touch of a button. You can create a new web link by clicking on the web link tab, then web link. In the web links window, you may click on the new button. In the label field, you may enter the name of the website. So let's enter Web POS as an example. And in the web address field, you may enter the address of the website. So let's go ahead and copy the address from the address bar and paste it in CellSmart POS. Once we're done, we can click Save. And now when you click on the web link, it will open up your browser and lead you towards the website with the touch of a button. You can also create a web link for Boost Mobile Sales, which is used to activate phones. You may do so by following the same procedure. So let's click on the web link button, then the new button. In the label field, you may enter activations or Boost activations. So let's enter activations. And in the web address field, you may enter the website. So let's copy the URL of the website and paste it here. And let's click Save. And now you can visit your activations website by clicking on this button. Similarly, you can create different Google Sheets using a Google Drive and access them through web links. For example, you can create a schedule sheet of your employees and save it as a web link so you can access it anytime. In order to create a Google Sheet, you are required to have a Google account. You can create a Google account by visiting gmail.com and clicking on Create an Account. If you already have a Google account, you can sign in using your ID and password. Once you've logged in into your account, you may click on the Apps icon located on the top right corner. And here you'll be presented with the apps provided by Google. You can click on the Sheets icon to access your sheets. To create a new sheet, you can click on the plus icon located on the bottom right corner. And a new spreadsheet will be presented. Here you can enter your information and you can rename the sheet by clicking here. So let's enter employee schedule as an example. And let's click OK. To enter any information in a sheet, all you have to do is click on a cell and start typing. So now you can click on a cell and enter any information. You can also share the sheet with others by clicking on the Share button. Here you can enter the email address of the people you would like to share the sheet with, or you can click on the Shareable Link option and only share it with the people who have access to the link. By clicking on this drop-down menu, you can change your sharing settings. So let's click More for more sharing options. And let's select the option where anyone can have access to the spreadsheet so the sign-in process is not required. Now let's click Save. Once you have received the link, you can click on the Copy Link option and use this link to paste it in the web address field of the web link you would like to create in CellSmart POS. So let's copy the link and let's reopen CellSmart POS. Click on the web link button, then the new button. And here we can enter the name of the sheet we created. So let's enter employee schedule. And let's paste the link in the web address field. And let's click Save. And now you and your employees can view the schedule for all the employees who work in your store by simply clicking on this button. A simple example of an employee schedule may look like this. You can also create a different sheet to track your orders, such as phones, accessories, and etc. An order sheet may look like this, where phones are listed on the left-hand side and the stores on the right. You can also create a sheet for promotions, where you can show a summary of all the Boost Mobile promotions. For example, a promotion sheet may look like this, where the new promotions are listed on the left-hand side and the existing ones on the right, and as well as other important information. You also have the option to create a web link for a Google Drive folder where you can save all your documents for your store. You can do so by clicking on the apps icon, then Google Drive. Here you may click on the New button, then Folder, and here you may enter the name of the folder that you would like to create. So let's name it Store Documents. And once you're done, you can click Create to create the folder. And once you've created the folder, you can add files to it by simply clicking on a file. So let's select our employee schedule that we just created. So let's drag this file and put it inside the folder. And now the file has been dropped inside the folder. So let's double click on the folder to open the folder. And here you can find all your store documents. So let's go back. And to add this folder as a web link, you may change its sharing settings by selecting the folder and clicking on this button. And now when the sharing window pops up, you can generate a shareable link to share with other people, just like we did for our employee schedule. Then by clicking on the drop-down menu and clicking on More, we would select the same option and we would click Save. Now let's copy the link so we can paste it inside CellSmart POS, and let's click Done. Now once you have the folder link copied, you can create a new web link with the label Store Folder. And let's paste the URL in the web address field. And let's click Save. This way, you can easily access all your store documents in a single click. These are a few options you can choose from when it comes to web links. You can create many different types of sheets, documents, and websites that you use frequently and save time. And that's how you use web links more efficiently in CellSmart POS.